This course presents a comprehensive and wide-ranging discussion of narrative theory in general and its practical application to many kinds of media, including films, literature, comics, and games. It is based on my university course, Narrative and New Media, and so is presented in an accessible and conversational style, while also being a deep dive into the subject, since the content represents a whole semester's worth of material. Linear narrative refers to forms of storytelling in which the events of the story are presented in a cause and effect sequence that the audience experiences in a predetermined order, as fixed by the medium. Interactive narrative, on the other hand, refers to forms of storytelling in which the audience has some degree of control over the order in which events are experienced, as they are able to make choices that affect the direction and outcome of the story. The course topics include foundational definitions of narrative in analog and digital media, the nature of narrative cognition, interactivity, and perception, plot, story, and narrative discourse, ways of structuring stories, character types and their visual design, narrative identity, conflict, desire, difference, and goal-seeking, narrative arcs, structures, and plot progression. Managing narrative bifurcation through spreadsheets, flowcharts, and decision trees, dialogue, monologue, and humor, space and story world, point of view, focalization, and narratorial devices, themes and tropes, meaning, interpretation, and intertextuality, fact versus fiction, and narrative contestation. By the way, in case you haven't noticed the AI watermark at the bottom left corner of the video window, I'm not real, but rather I am a totally made-up avatar intended to embody the spirit of the course as being grounded in the latest developments in media technologies. So hit the enroll button, and I will see you on the other side.